Hey all, this is Natalie from Serpstat, and we are back again with another tutorial about the different tools and features of Serpstat. And for today's video, we'll be talking about how we can or how to utilize this rank tracker tool from Serpstat. So here you can see there are two ways that we can access this one, or that we can see the results for this one. It's either you go here on the sidebar and then choose rank tracker, and then you'll click on this project overview. And another way to do that is by clicking on this one for this widget. For this widget, it's start tracking. So as you can see, it's not yet set up. So that is what we're gonna try to do today. So clicking on that will bring us here. So here, as you can see, it's not yet set up. So we have to finish setting up the project so that we can have the results that we're looking for. So let's go there. And then here, as you can see, you have options in terms of how you want the results to turn out. So here you have the tracking type, or you can select the tracking type for the purpose of the project, or in example, tracking the positions of the main domain only, or including subdomains as well, and then a separate page or a separate section of the site. So for us, we're just going to be sticking to project domain only. And then here you can put in mirrors. If you have sites that duplicate the content of the main domain, add them to the mirrors to prevent losing position data for these domains. So that's if you have another website containing the same content as the one that you're currently using, then input them here. And then here, of course, competitors in top. So from the term itself, this is to show you how, or to show you the top 100 competitors ranked in SERP for all added keywords in the project. So for this one, I think wait, let me utilize one of the tools here, which is competitor. So let's just get one, SEOmeter.com. Let's just use that one. Go back here, SEOmeter.com. So I'm just gonna put that here. So there's that. And then here you can choose your tracking schedule if you want it daily or by days of the week or by dates of the month. You can do so. It's just gonna depend on your preference. And then the next tracking dates would be here, and then time zone, you can change that according to where you are or according to where your company is based. And then here, if you click on search regions, let's go with Google, SERP type and device, desktop organic, or you can choose desktop paid, but we're just going to be using desktop organic. You can also choose this one, but for this specific video, we'll just be discussing, or we'll just be using the organic UK, since we're in the UK, and then language English, and then add region. So then hopefully that would show something here. So search engine, Google. Right there, every search region will multiply the quantity of charged credits. Example, 2 regions for 10 keywords equals to 20 credits will be charged. So, be careful with this, because then you would need to have credits this much, or depending on what you will be utilizing amongst the tools, because I think this is one of the features that has additional charges depending on how you use it. So here we have keywords, but we will not be proceeding with this one, because then it will charge as credits. So just to show you how it would look like, or how it can be set up. So it's here, you add keywords to the project via input or import from a file, and then assign tags and URL to them. So that's what you can do. You can import your file here, or you can type in the keywords manually or copy and paste them, and then select or create tags right here and then enter expected URL. And that is how you can set up this tracking tool in Serpstat. So once you have that all set up, then you would get the information that you need here, as well as the visibility, average position, and then SerpStorm. SerpStorm is new. First time I've encountered this one. So SerpStorm is changing of project keywords position in search engine in percent. So that's what SerpStorm is all about. And then SERP features, or the number of SERP features for the project keywords in which the selected domain was noticed. So that's how it works. Unfortunately, we're not able to go fully in depth with this one because of the limitations that our account has, but then at least we are now bit familiar about how we can set up this specific tool. So, having said that, the following tools will not also be accessible for us for the same reason that they need to be set up first, and in order to do so, we need to use credits. So, if you want to experience this for yourself, maybe you want to finish setting this up, then you can absolutely do so by heading over to serpstat.com, creating your account, and then um, signing up for a subscription. But that is all for us today. Don't forget to leave some comments if you have any. And then, of course, like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to um, be notified whenever or if you want to be updated whenever we put out new videos for this channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on the next video.